Hi, welcome back to Sarah's More Report Charts Proposals on Wednesday, the 18th of May with me, Rich, Repair Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at the euro dollar now, and we're seeing this breakdown again as the dollar has strengthened. That inflation data that we saw yesterday, industrial production also better than expected, and also the hawkish FOMC member comments has dragged the euro lower, or in other words, the dollar has started to strengthen again, pulling the euro dollar pair lower. And it's broken back below the key low that had been sort of forming at 1280, and that now reopens these April lows of 1213. But it sort of does sort of now suggest, I think, that much beyond that, I think we could now be seeing more of a corrective move back towards the long-term pivot at 111. You look at these momentum indicators, the RSI is now falling at levels not seen since March. Stochastics also increasingly negative, MACD lines sort of falling away as well. So I think that the pressure is increasingly on now to the downside. That 55-day moving average has now been broken today, and I think just generally we're seeing this sort of deterioration in the euro-dollar chart on a near-term basis continuing. I think back towards that 111 pivot, the long-term pivot in this chart could well be seen. So 1213 is the immediate sort of test of the low of April, but I think if that breaks, then I think we're looking definitely at 111 figure. So we can see this on the hourly chart, the continued falling away. All the momentum indicators are negatively configured. MACD lines on the hourly just rolling over under neutral again. RSI going towards oversold. It is oversold, I would say. I'd say that chasing it lower on the immediate term basis. Look at this. Latest few moves that have gone into this level have all turned higher from this sort of 2021 area. So I think the chances of a near-term technical rally could easily be seen, and that would help to unwind the move. But I think anything back towards sort of 50 to 60 on the hourly RSI would definitely be a chance to sell. So you'd be looking at a technical rally near term into the sort of 1280 towards 13 figure area, I would say. That would probably be your sort of rally zone in order to then sort of generate the next sort of sell area. And I think that it's going to happen because all these moving averages are all negatively configured, and as I said, the outlook on the daily chart is increasingly negative as well. So any sort of near-term rally, technical rally today on an intraday basis, I think should be seen as a chance to sell, and I think we're going to get a test of that 1213 key April low support in due course. So I wish you good luck in your trading on the euro today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.